Welcome to World Currency Quiz Challenge. Today we are taking a fun and fast-paced journey around the globe. I will give you the country and Turkey clue and you have to guess the currency. Multiple choice style. Keep your wits ready, track your score and let's see how many you can get it right. Ready to test your currency knowledge? Let's go. This currency is used in a country known for its maple syrup and hockey. A. Australian dollar, B. Canadian dollar, C. US dollar, D. New Zealand dollar. Correct answer is option B. Canadian dollar. The yen is the official currency of which Asian country? A. China, B. South Korea, C. Japan, D. Thailand. Correct answer is option C. Japan. The rand is the currency famous for its wildlife safaris. A. Kenya, B. South Africa, C. Nigeria, D. Tanzania. Answer is option B. South Africa. Which European country uses the krona as its currency? A. Sweden, B. Norway, C. Denmark, D. Finland. Answer is option A. Sweden. The peso is the official currency of which South American country? A. Brazil, B. Peru, C. Chile, D. Argentina. Correct answer is option D. Argentina. Ringgit is the currency of a Southeast Asian country known for its Petronas towers. A. Indonesia, B. Singapore, C. Malaysia, D. Thailand. Correct answer is option C. Malaysia. Which country uses the dirham as its official currency? A. Jordan, B. Egypt, C. Morocco, D. Lebanon. Correct answer is option A. Jordan. The taka is the currency of a country with the world's largest river delta. A. Bangladesh, B. India, C. Myanmar, D. Nepal. Correct answer is option A. Bangladesh. This currency comes from a nation named after a metal that glitters when the currency name literally means silver piece. Country Indonesia. A. Baht, B. Ringgit, C. Rupiah, D. Rupee. Correct answer is option B. Ringgit. Known for oil wealth, this Gulf nation currency starts with R and rhymes with dial. Country Saudi Arabia. A. Oman Rial, B. Bahraini Dinar, C. UAE Dirham, D. Saudi Riyal. Correct answer is option D. Saudi Riyal. Thanks for watching. Please like like, share and subscribe for more quizzes.